that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be
Hi everyone, how you guys are doing? So today I've came up with a makeup tutorial which is going to be inspired by Priya Prakash. Yes, he has been the internet sensation since a while, and I have picked up her look because it was so simple and very easy to recreate and perfect for everyday kind of look. She had minimal makeup going on, no blush, nothing at all. Simple makeup, simple everyday kind of school going makeup. So I picked up her look, and the hairstyle that she was carrying was also very simple. So I have combined the makeup and the hairstyle tutorial together, and I came up with that. So I hope you guys will like it. If you want to know how to recreate this entire look, then keep on watching. For moisturizing my skin, firstly I'm going to use this Garnier Wrinkle Lift Cream. This is such a good cream, and I'm massaging this cream all over my face to moisturize it. And then I'm moving on to the foundation. You can totally use BB cream here. Even I was also trying to use that, but I really don't have a good BB cream with me right now, so I'm using this foundation and I'm mixing 2 drops of olive oil into it to lighten the color, and this will be good for everyday use. And trust me, this works like a BB cream, instant BB cream. So yeah, I'm going to apply this in face, applying it with my finger and blending it. And then to set my face, I'm using this Maybelline Super Fresh compact powder in the shade Shell maybe, and then with help of a brush I'm spreading the powder all over my face. And as Priya did not had any blush going on to her, but she definitely had some structure to her face. To bring that structure, I'm using this contour palette by Wet n Wild, and I'm contouring my face very lightly. It's like a no contour. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, I'm just contouring my cheekbones a little bit, and then the usual area that needs to be contoured. And then I'm moving on to the brows, and for that I'm using this Maybelline nude palette, and from there I'm using this ashy brown color to my brows. And for that, firstly I'm going to place the color to the arch of my brows. That's where I begin, because that's where the pigment is needed, and the rest needs to be filled really lightly. So yeah, I'm starting off from the arch, and then I'm just slowly dragging the product to the other parts of my brows. So if you look into Priya's picture carefully, we can definitely see that she had a simple smoky look going on her eyes. So I'm going to achieve the exact same look. For that I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Kajal and outlining my upper and lower lash line. Along with that, I'm tightlining my eyes as well. And then to smoke it out, I'm using this flat shader brush, and firstly I'm going to smudge my kajal. Then I'm taking this blending brush by Color Bar and blending away the harsh edges from my eyes. Then I'm taking this lip balm from Maybelline and applying it all over my lips to moisturize them, as I'm going to apply a matte lipstick later on. Now in the picture we can clearly see that Priya had a really precise everyday kind of a wing eyeliner. To achieve that, I'm using this liner from Avon and applying it to the upper lash line, and also I'm dragging it a little down to the lower lash line to complete the look. Now it's time for applying the lipstick, and for that I'm using this matte me lipstick in the shade 404 Rose Blossom. It is a little pink undertone color, but the lipstick that Priya was wearing had a little brown undertone, but I have to work with what I have. So I am applying this lipstick all over my lips, and with that I will be done with the look. Now for the hairs, Priya was wearing a really simple braid, an everyday kind of a braid, so I'm going to achieve the exact same look. And for that, firstly I'm going to comb my hair really nicely and taking out little pieces of hair in the front to complete the look. And then for it, with the rest of my hair, I'm going for a normal 3-strand braid. You know the drill, you have to divide the hairs into 3 equal sections and then have to cross the left and right strands over the middle one, and that's how you're gonna achieve the normal 3-strand braid on. And yeah, don't forget to pull the sides out to make the braid more voluminous, and when you're done with it, tie it at the end with an elastic, and that's gonna be it for the hairstyle. Now to mess the braid up, you need to pull the hairs from the side and tie the hairs here and there to make it more messy and make it look like a horse. And with that, you're done with this hairstyle. It's that simple.
Hold me now, I'm yours now, believe me, your love explodes, our hearts implodes, your love explodes, our hearts implode.
Then it suddenly came into my mind that I forgot to apply mascara, so it's never late. I'm going to apply this mascara to my lash line to coat my lashes, and that's it. So it is the final look of the makeup, which is really simple, elegant makeup for everyday kind of a look. And this is really simple to create and will take you really less than 5 minutes to create this look, and I just love this look totally. So, and it is inspired by Priya Prakash and the hairstyle as well. So I hope I did a good job to create this look, even though I couldn't match up to hers level, but still I tried my best to do so. If you really like this, do let me know in the comment section. So that is it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. I know it was very simple and I tried my best to give you the easiest explanation and easiest way to recreate this look. If you guys really liked it, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a very big thumbs up and share it with your friends and comment down below. And I'll be seeing you guys in my other more tutorial in my upcoming videos. Till then, take care, love yourself, pamper yourself, and I love you all.